Imagine an America where police officers are supported by the world's most advanced artificial intelligence. This documentary presents fictional future concepts inspired by today's technology, research, and creative imagination.
In this vision of 2050, AI could become a powerful partner for every police officer.
Future patrol vehicles may provide officers with instant awareness of changing situations. Augmented reality could help officers make faster, better-informed decisions during emergencies. Intelligent drones may provide critical information before first responders even arrive. Future AI tools could help investigators analyze evidence more efficiently and accurately. Advanced rescue robots may help officers reach dangerous areas while protecting lives. Smarter cities could help emergency teams respond more quickly when every second matters. Could this become the future of public safety? The answer may be closer than we imagine.
Future AI could help emergency agency teams reach people faster when every second truly matters.
Advanced aerial technology may help officers locate missing people more quickly and safely.
Future investigative tools could organize evidence faster, while human investigators make the final decisions.
Smart visual technology may help officers respond with greater confidence during emergencies.
Connected cities could allow emergency services to work together more efficiently than ever before. Technology may strengthen the connection between officers and the communities they serve.
Future AI systems could help investigators identify cyber threats more efficiently.
The safest cities of tomorrow may combine human experience with intelligent technology. The future of public safety could become smarter, faster, and more connected than ever before. The future of law enforcement may never be about replacing heroes. It could be about giving them the smartest tools ever created.
In this fictional vision of 2050, artificial intelligence does not replace police officers. Faster information, smarter tools, and advanced tech to help protect communities.
Subscribe to Nextgen Future, where tomorrow begins today.